Hello and welcome to English Learning Hub. In this video, we're going to be practicing your speaking and conversational skills by having a conversation, you and me. What is it going to look like? I've prepared 8 dialogues on 4 different topics. One line is for me, and the other one is for you. You will see them on the screen. I'm going to say my part, and you're going to read your line out loud on the screen, and that will be your response. This exercise will give you already ready lines and answers to use in real life with other people and get you prepared to have conversations. Here are the 4 topics for this video. Introducing yourself. Dining at a restaurant. In a kitchen. And at a drugstore. Let's get started. Introducing yourself. This dialogue is between 2 students who meet each other for the first time. Practice it with me. Hello, my name is Arya. Welcome to our university. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? I'm from France. No, I have been living in London for about 2 years now. Yes, this is my 2nd year here. I have got 2 more years to go. I'm studying English literature. I want to be a linguist. How about you? That's great. Nice. Yeah, I love it here. I am actually planning to live here even after I graduate. Yeah, I will just need to convince my parents. What about you? I see. Well, good luck to you. I have to go to class now. It was nice talking with you. Dining at a restaurant. This dialogue is between a customer and a waitress that includes most of the basic questions you'll need to know when going to a restaurant. I'm the waitress, and you are the customer. Hi. How are you doing this afternoon? Certainly, here you are. Grilled tuna and cheese on rye. Would you like something to drink? Thank you. Here you are. Enjoy your meal. Can I get you anything else? That'll be $14.95. Thank you. Have a good day. In a kitchen. These 3 dialogues include most of the basic questions and answers that take place in the kitchen. Practice them with me. Hey, that smells great. What are you cooking? Sure. Wow. That's hot. How many chilies did you put in? Yeah, I do, but it's too hot for me. What do you think of the soup? It's potato and onion. Maybe I didn't put in enough salt. Yes, I think I used too many potatoes. How much sugar did you put in this coffee? That's not enough for me. I like my coffee very sweet. At a drugstore. These 3 dialogues will teach you how to get your prescription from a pharmacy and how to buy medicine. I'm the pharmacist and you're the customer. Can I help you? How long have you had it? Well, try these pills. Take 2 every 4 hours. You're welcome. With antiseptic or without? There you go. Will that be all? Okay, out of 50. Here's your change. You're welcome. Sure. Do you want to wait? It'll be ready in about 20 minutes. All right, it'll be waiting. Later will be fine. Share your experience and suggestions in the comments section. I will upload more conversation videos to enhance your speaking and conversational skills, so stay tuned. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications because more essential content is on the way. See you in the next videos.